Hello everyone, I'm Indu, speech language pathologist from Enliven Therapy Center, Bangalore. Today, I'm going to give some tips to understand your kids better. Understanding your child is one of the most important thing you should learn as a parent. Showing your love is crucial, but understanding them is often the most critical and missing ingredient in parent-child relationship. If we do not have a true understanding, we tend to look at our kids as what we think they are rather than what they really are. Understanding their minds requires attention and interaction, but it is worth it. Now, let's see the benefits of understanding your child. By understanding your child's development, you will be able to provide them with opportunities as well as toys that can boost their development and prepare them for the next phase of their growth. It is very helpful in guiding and nurturing your child as they grow and mature. At the same time, you as a parent would be able to set expectations and limits that are acceptable to your kid. Feeling understood provides us with the emotional leverage to do our best to make good choices and do the right thing on a daily basis. Understanding is one of the most powerful tools available for creating breakthroughs in difficult family patterns, especially with stopping disobedience or challenging behaviors in your child. Now, let's see some of the tips to help you understand your child. First, observe your child. One of the ways you can understand your child is by observing them as they sleep, eat, or play. Look for the consistent traits. Which activities do they like best? Is adjusting to changes easy for them, or do they need time to become familiar with these things? This way, you get to know a great deal about his overall personality. Next, be your child's best friend. Making your child realize that you're always there for him whenever he needs can be your first step towards attaining this goal. This will make him feel secure, loved, and wanted. This will help him to open up to you. Then, spend quality time with your child. Being around your child is not enough. To know him better, do activities together like playing games or simple cooking, cleaning up, reading books, etc. Then, praise your child. Praising him for good work done will boost his self-esteem. However, overpraise can make him arrogant. Next, listen to your child. By listening to your child, you get to know him more. Doing so will make him feel that you are interested in his life. This will in turn help to strengthen the bond between you two. Then, talk to your child more. Talking to your child that are of his interest could help him open up to you. In this way, you could initiate conversations more easily and get to know your child better. Give full attention while talking. Always maintain eye contact while talking to your child. By doing so, you will make sure your child believes that you are listening and what he is saying is of utmost importance to you. Give respect. When your child talks about any of his insecurities, fears, or any situation where he has been put to shame, respect his emotions. Then explain to the child. Children up to the age of 5 to 6 will abide by the rules created by you or the decisions you have taken for their betterment. The real problem lies with adolescents. Blame it on their age. In such situations, just try and explain as to why you had to take a certain decision or do a certain thing. At that moment, they may be angry with you, but eventually, with time, they will understand. Take opinions from your kids too. Ask for his opinion where it is necessary. Doing so will make him feel important and will raise his self-worth. Discover the reasons behind the behavior. If your child has been misbehaving or has shown some negative behavior, try to find out the cause behind it. This way, it will give you a chance to enhance your parenting skills. Know your child's likes and dislikes. Knowledge about what your child likes and dislikes will also help you to know them better. Allow them to express themselves. Allow your child to express himself the way he wants to. You could get a glimpse of how he thinks or what he wants. Then think like a child. It is important to think like them while talking to them or doing an activity together. This will give him a sense of familiarity. Pay attention to their imaginations. Expose them to as much as you possibly can and see how they react to it. While strolling or walking, every little thing along that path, such as sounds, smell, touch, etc. These add to their learning and imagination. It is up to you to give them all the information they will need for the future. Take your time, slow down and see how their minds work by how they interact with the world. A child's imagination is extraordinary. Focus on their creations. Their artwork often represents their feelings. Are their baby sister missing from their pictures? This behavior could be a sign of jealousy. If you come across this, don't argue that the sister or whoever should be included because they cannot help how they feel. However, it might be a good idea to ask questions such as, where is your sister in the picture? Adults should take the time to analyze what kids say. Play with them, enter their world of imagination and make yourself at home. Crawl like a baby, jump up and down like a monkey, and then watch the sparkle in their eyes. When you become a part of their world, happiness overcomes them and make them want to connect with you more and more. This will not only give you a better understanding of your child's mind, but also a healthy relationship that both you and the child will cherish. You should always understand your child better than anyone else. No child or teen ever complains that their parents show too much of emotional support or too much of understanding. This is one of the most effective way of becoming successful in the art of parenting. So, try and understand your child as much as possible. Thank you.